Hello friends, this is Raite Ankita Mukunda working as assistant professor in chemistry at Maratha Vidya Prasarak Samaj, Nasik. In last video lecture we have seen the concept of Breed's rule, and today in this video lecture I will talk about the stereochemistry of fuse, spiro and bridge head ring system, and also conformation of fuse ring, stability of fuse ring and bicyclic system, bicyclic compound of nomenclature and Breed's rule. Now the first is a bicyclic isomer of decane. So the 10 carbons containing a 10 carbons in a fuse, there are two adjacent carbon atom and bridge ring sharing two non-adjacent carbon atom and one or more carbon atom between them. In a spirocyclic compound, the two rings share only one carbon. This is for example, common example. The first naming of a spiro ring. The first example is a spiro 5,4 decane, and next is a spiro 4,3 octane, and last is a spiro 5,2 octane. Octanes means 8, and both the bridge head position are on same carbon, so cannot use bicyclo nomenclature or as a before, but but a process is very simple, similar to the simply substituted spiro from bicyclo. Insert the two bridge length and place as suffix as a before. In a bicyclic ring can draw from this two top and down, and second is a side via. So the two carbon performing each bridge will always be cis to each other. Both hydrogen are on same sides. This is a bicyclo. Stereochemistry of fuse and bridging ring system, bridge ring system. So the conformation of fuse rings, cis decane and trans decane. In a trans decane, the one hydrogen is up and one hydrogen is down. Both are opposite, means both are opposite. One is above and another is below. But in a cis decane, both hydrogen are same side. So either it is up or down. So the trans decane, the chair conformation, the structure is correct, but in a cyclic ring system, one ring is absent in a trans decane. So the trans decane, I also explain, one hydrogen is up and on one hydrogen is down, it is a trans. And cis is a both hydrogen is up or down. Cis fuse ring is less stable and trans fuse ring is more stable. Sometimes the question is asked in exam. Cis fuse ring is less stable, and trans fuse ring is more stable. The stability of fuse ring in a trans form is energetically more stable because of favor the steric interaction, and cis decalline is the chair. It is a chiral molecule without a chiral center. It has a two-fold rotational symmetry axis but no reflective symmetry. So the trans decalline or transfuse rings more stable, and cis decane or cis fuse rings are less stable. The ring flipping is possible in a cis decane, and trans decane is the not a ring flip. Trans decalline ring flip, but while not occur because carbon carbon bond is break. So cis decane, the ring flipping is possible, and trans decane chair flip is not possible because the bond is break of a carbon carbon bond is breakage, so is not possible in a transdecane, not occur in a ring flipping. Bicyclic system, the fuse ring share two adjacent carbon atom and the bond between them. And next is a bridge ring system, so the share two non adjacent carbon atom and one or more carbon atom between them. So the next is a spirocyclic compound are rarer, the two ring share only one carbon. This is for examples: bicyclo 440 decane and bicyclo 221 heptane, it is a non-boron, and spiro 449. Many bicyclo system, there are many important structure that result when one ring is fused to a other. So the camphor which you the first day of the class and camphene are refer national product isolate from the evergreen. The example is non-boron and also name is a bicyclo 221 heptane, it is a camphor and camphene. Bicyclic compounds of nomenclature, the two molecules are not identical, therefore they cannot have the same name. So the name or number of carbon connecting the bridgehead: bicyclic 311 heptane and bicyclic 221 heptane. Bicyclic compound of nomenclature representing compound with two fuse rings is the same as the name of bicyclic compound, including prefix bicyclo in front of the total carbon alkane name. And for example, compound below could both the name bicycloheptane. The twisted boat conformation of cyclohexane, the top via and side via in the several carbon alkane heptane, and bridge length is 221, so name is a bicyclo 221 heptane. I also numbering given in these structures. Next is the 8 carbon alkane, so the it is a 8 in a octane, and bridge head length is 221, so the name is a bicyclo 221 octane. Third example is a 9 carbon alkane, so it is a 9, and bridging length is a 331, and name is a bicyclo 331 Fourth is a 6 carbon alkane, it is a hexane, so bridge length is 211, bicyclo 211 hexane. This is a fuse ring, can also name use the system, so and it is a the 10 carbon alkane, so it is a decane, and bridge length is a 440, so name is a bicyclo 440 decane. Naming: the name of alkane corresponding the total number of carbon atom in the ring is considered as a parent name. Example follows: the compound containing 7 carbon atom and therefore bicycloheptane. Second is the carbon atom common to the both ring are called a bridgehead, and each bond or a chair of atom connecting the bridgehead atom is called bridge. And next is the third is the in the name as preference as the in the denoted the number of carbon atom each bridge. So in order to decreasing length, for example bicyclo 2 to 1 heptane, and is also called as a non-boron. Next is a bicyclo 110 butane. Fourth is the substituent are present number of bridge ring system. So the beginning as a one bridging head processing first along the longest bridge to the other bridge head, along the next along longest bridge back to the first bridge head. The bridge is near numbering last. The shortest bridge is numbering last. 5. In a case of a spiro compound, use as a prefix spiro, and the steam name and count of the rings atom are known as the described below. Spiro 5 for decane. Problem: give name of each of the following bicycloalkane. Write the structure of bicyclo compound, that is isomer of a bicyclo 2,1,1 hexane, and give its name. Stereochemistry and polycyclic system decane. One of the most important bicyclic system is bicyclo 4,4,0 decaline, a compound that is usually called as the common name decaline, and it has the following structure. The decane shows the cis trans isomerism. The structure of the decaline is a trans decane, and this is a second is a cis decane. In a trans decane, both one hydrogen is above and one hydrogen is below. In a cis decane, both hydrogen are up, or both hydrogen in down, means the position is same side, and in a trans the position is opposite. In a cis decane, the two hydrogen atom attached to the bridge atom and same side of the ring. In a trans decaline, there are one opposite sides, and indicate that the structures are usually draw as follow. More examples: cis bicyclo 4,3,0 noen 2,4 dine, and another is a trans cis cyclo deca 1,3,5 trine. Another example is third example is a trans bicyclo 4,3,0 noen 2,4 dine. Fourth is a cis bicyclo 6,2,0 decane to deca 2,9 dine. This is the structure of perhydrophenanthine. There is 3-member cyclic ring. This is a A, B, C, and name is a perhydrophenanthine structure. This is a cis perhydrophenanthine, and formula is a C14 and H24. This is a chemical formula, and cis means both hydrogen are same sides, and cene means also hydrogen in same sides, and anti means opposite. I also explain in details my video lecture bridge head rule. In short, the bridge rule is an empirical observation in organic chemistry that state that the double bond cannot be applied at the bridge head ring system unless the ring are larger. The rule is. In this figure, the bridge head atom involve the bridge rule and I also highlight as a red color. This is a non-boron and forbidden non-boron isolation. There are this structure, so you cannot have a double bond contained to the bridge head of the bridge head ring system, and having a double bond as part of the bridge head would be the equivalent on having trans double bond on the ring. And what is a good for good for the product resulting from elimination reaction as a bridging ring system. So I will stop here, and you should understand each and every concept and have going to prepare video series of stereochemistry. You watch this video, I hope to understand the concept of stereochemistry. So thank you so much. See you in next video lecture.